Welcome back. So kids, today we are going to learn about relation between multiplication and division. Let us understand how multiplication and division are related. Look at this picture. Here we have some stamps pasted on one sheet. Now, to find the total number of stamps, what we will do is we will multiply. We have 3 stamps in each row and total 2 rows are there. So we will multiply 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. Here 2 is number of row, 3 is number of stamps in each row. These two are factor. And what we got is the final product is 6. So total number of stamps are 6. Now in same example, to find the number of stamps in each row, we will divide. Here you can see we have total 6 stamps. So 6 will be dividend. 2 rows are there, that will be divisor. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So we have 3 stamps in each row. That is our question. Our answer is 3. So 3 stamps are there in each row. So what we got is division is the opposite of multiplication. You can see division is opposite of multiplication. Just remember this, that for every multiplication fact we get 2 division facts. For example, we have 2 3s are 6. Our multiplication fact is 2 3s are 6. So now we have 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So these two are division facts. Now let's learn how to write a multiplication fact and a division fact. Let's learn it with the help of some examples. Here we have picture of some ice creams. So you can see together we have 2 groups. So we can write here 2. Then in each group we have 4 ice creams. So 2 multiply 4. It is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. So this is our multiplication fact. Now let's write division fact. Total we have 8 ice creams. So we will write 8 divided by how many groups are there? 1, 2. 2 groups are there. So we will write here 2. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. So 2 4s are 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Same way we can write multiplication fact for this one also. Here we have some balls. Just look at this. We have 2 groups. So we write here 2. Then in each group we have 5 balls. So we will write 2 multiply 5. 2 5s are 10. Then how to write division fact is, we will write total number of balls. Total number of balls are 10. 10 divided by, now 2 groups are there, we will write here 2. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Now let's move on to next question. Here we have to write division fact. Multiplication fact is given. We have to write 2 division fact for each. In this example, the multiplication fact is 2 8s are 16s. So what will be its division fact? It will be 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. 8 2s are 16. So 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Now second division fact will be 16 divided by, this time we will write 2. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Next example, we have 7 3s are 21. So here we will write 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. Second division fact, we will write 21 divided by 7. This time we will divide it by 7 equals to 3. Same way, we can write multiplication fact. If division fact is given, we can write its multiplication fact. Here we have 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. So as you know, 5 2s are 10. So our first multiplication fact will be 5 multiplied 2 equals 10. 5 2s are 10. And in second one, we will write 2 5s are. 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. So these are our two multiplication fact. Look at next example. Here we have 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So 8 3s are 24 and 3 8s are again 24. So these are two multiplication fact for this. So students, this way we can write multiplication fact and division fact of any. So now you need to do more and more practice of it. This much for today. Thank you.